Sasuke, where are you right now? And what are you thinking about? You defeated your brother Itachi. You got your vengeance. So, why won't you come home to the Leaf? I'm starting to not understand you.
Wanna talk, Naruto Uzumaki?
You're one of the Akatsuki?
Yes, it is the first time we've met. Or is it?
That mask!
There was a mastermind behind the Nine Tails who manipulated him, made him assault the village. I believe he will attack our village again.
It can't be Pain!
No, it's not. Pain is simply being used by this person.
Then who could it be? Who is the mastermind behind Pain?
Another of the Akatsuki. The masked one.
You caused that trouble with the Nine Tails!
Well, you know so much. I'm surprised.
The fourth Hokage told me that you were the worst of the worst!
The fourth. Minato, huh?
I never thought we'd encounter the Akatsuki here.
Well done, Kakashi of the Sharingan. You sniffed me out faster than I expected.
Who on earth are you?
You want to know who I am? Very well, I have no particular reason to hide it. I am Madara Uchiha.
Madara Uchiha?
That's ridiculous. Madara is dead.
You just all assumed that on your own. I survived, and now, here I am.
How can this be?
If you are Madara, what business do you have with Naruto? Do you think you can capture the Nine Tails alone?
As I am now, I have no intention of doing that. I simply came here to talk to Naruto Uzumaki.
Talk!
What is it that caused Nagato to betray me? Naruto, you've sparked my interest.
I don't care about you! Just tell me about Sasuke! He's in the Akatsuki now, right?
Sasuke, huh? Indeed, he is now under the Akatsuki's care, and he is acting in accordance with my wishes.
So you tricked Sasuke!
I wonder.
Why, you?
Are you going to attack me? Very well. Show me the power that you used to defeat Pain.
You Akatsuki jerks are about to get a beating!
Show me the power you used to defeat Pain, Naruto.
Mission start!
What? He escaped the walls?
What? Come back here!
All right, first I suppose I'll have you fight these.
Naruto, leave Madara for later. Take care of these guys first.
What? But Kakashi-sensei!
Think about Madara's abilities, and you'll see we need to have the advantage. I know you want to rush ahead, but restrain yourself for now.
I understand. I got you! What's up with that?
Can't tell if he's erasing his body or turning it into an ethereal one. At any rate, he's got to materialize himself before he can attack.
Which means I need to hit him at the moment he materializes.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Naruto Uzumaki, I see you want to know about Sasuke. You cannot omit Itachi's story when discussing Sasuke. First, you must know the truth about Itachi.
The truth about Itachi?
For Itachi, annihilating the Uchiha clan was a mission. In exchange for accomplishing that mission, Sasuke was allowed to live.
That's a sick joke. It's totally implausible.
It's no joke. It is the truth about Itachi.
Naruto, you've gotten stronger. Truly.
He died for Sasuke and the leaf.
That's a lie! You're making it up!
Why on earth would such a mission even come about?
Because at that time the Uchiha clan was planning a coup d'etat.
Where's Sasuke? What's Sasuke doing?
I have to beat these guys quickly and make Madara come out.
Lightning blade! Take that! How about that? Too weak!
Where's Sasuke? What's Sasuke doing?
I have to beat these guys quickly and make Madara come out.
Well, well, that was faster than I expected. Next I will fight you directly.
What you were saying earlier, even if that were true, if Sasuke knew all that, why would he work for the Akatsuki? He should have adopted Itachi's mission and returned to the leaf.
As Sasuke's teacher and as his friends, you all assume you know his true feelings. But you couldn't be more in the dark. He's the real thing. A true Avenger.
If he is, you made him that way!
No, not I. Sasuke chose this path on his own.
You lie!
Sasuke chose vengeance. He is one of my kind. Sasuke's current objective is to wreak vengeance upon the Leaf for persecuting the Uchiha clan, particularly Itachi.
What do you intend to do with Sasuke?
There it is! What?
Well, that's about enough for now.
Mission complete.
I see. Your power certainly isn't to be taken lightly.
Why? Why would he? How did it turn into this much of a mess? Why did he choose revenge?
It couldn't be helped. It is the blood-soaked Uchiha destiny of hate. A curse of hatred that began with the father of ninja, the sage of the Six Paths.
Hatred? Curse?
Once upon a time, the sage of the Six Paths had 2 children. They trained together. They grew up together. But they had 2 different attitudes toward peace. The older son knew strength was necessary for peace. The younger son knew love was necessary for peace. Then, when it came time for the sage of the Six Paths to choose a successor, he named the younger son the one who believed in love. The older one turned on his brother in rage, and though time passed and blood ties thinned, their descendants continued to battle each other. The descendants of the older brother eventually came to be known as the Uchiha, and those of the younger brother, the Senju.
Senju? You mean the clan of the first Hokage?
Exactly. I have met Hashirama Senju, the first Hokage, in battle many, many times. Naruto Uzumaki. I can tell that you hold Senju's will of fire within you. Senju and Uchiha. The will of fire and hatred, Naruto and Sasuke. You are merely the next in line to be chosen by destiny. Sasuke has shouldered the entire burden of Uchiha hatred, and plans to ram that hatred deep into the world. That hate is his strongest weapon, his friend, and the source of his power. That is Sasuke's ninja way.
Sasuke's ninja way is hatred?
You will end up fighting Sasuke again one day. Or rather, I'll throw Sasuke at you. The long predestined battle. I will have Sasuke prove his heritage as an Uchiha.
Sasuke is not your toy! Quit talking nonsense!
If that's your foolish goal, then why collect the tailed beasts? What's your true purpose? What do you seek?
Well, if I were forced to choose, I would probably seek to become a complete form.
What does that mean?
Telling you about it now would be somewhat pointless. I'll tell you under more fitting circumstances. It's been fun chatting with you. Later.
Kakashi!
Hate is his strongest weapon, his friend, and the source of his power. That is Sasuke's ninja way.
Sasuke, what could have happened to you? I guess the only way to find out is to just ask him.
Naruto!
Sakura? What are you doing here?
I have something to say to you.
Huh? What did you just say, Sakura?
Naruto, I said, I love you. You ought to listen when a girl confesses her feelings to you.
Sakura, what's going on?
Nothing really. It's just that I finally woke up. It's true. The old me loved Sasuke, but I can't continue to love a rogue ninja, a criminal. And more importantly, to me, Naruto, you are a bigger presence in my heart. You're always on my side, and you always support me. I guess I finally realized that if I have you with me, that's enough. So I'm asking you, Naruto, won't you stop chasing after Sasuke? Sasuke isn't coming back to us, so please, forget about him.
Quit it, Sakura! I don't like someone who lies to themselves!
I'm lying to myself? What are you talking about?
It just sounds like an excuse! You're not the kind of person to lie like this, Sakura. These aren't your real feelings, are they? But even if you really did feel that way, it wouldn't change what I have to do. I have to bring Sasuke back. It's for my own sake, too.
That's enough!
Sakura.
Was that Sakura just now? Did something happen, Naruto? I see. So it's like that.
What was she trying to do, coming all the way out here?
Sakura never does anything without a reason. This must mean something.
Mean something, huh? What I talked to Sakura about was Sasuke.
Sasuke, huh?
When I heard her talking to you, Naruto, I sensed some kind of great resolution in her. And that confession to you. She was saying that she'd given up on Sasuke. It's too early to be sure, but I've got an idea based on her behavior up to now.
An idea?
Sakura thinks she has to put an end to her relationship with Sasuke with her own hands.
So you mean Sakura came all the way out here to defeat Sasuke?
Yeah.
What? Why? That's impossible! Sakura loves Sasuke so much!
You probably already know, but Sasuke's termination has been authorized. The Leaf can no longer tolerate Sasuke. To the Leaf, he's a criminal. Sakura is mature enough to look at the situation from all angles.
But Sakura loves Sasuke, doesn't she?
It's because of love that she couldn't reject Sasuke just like that, even though he had taken the wrong path.
No way.
Naruto,